Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dhian. In this opportunity, I would like to explain about qualitative research. Qualitative research is defined as a market research method that focuses on obtaining data through open-ended and conversational communication. Qualitative research is based on the disciplines of social sciences like psychology, sociology, and anthropology. Therefore, the qualitative research methods allow far in-depth and further probing and questioning of respondents based on their responses, where the interviewer or researcher also tries to understand their motivation and feelings. Understanding how your audience takes decisions can help derive conclusions in market research. Market research. Market research is defined as the process of evaluating the feasibility of a new product or service through research conducted directly with potential consumers. This method allows organizations or business to discover their target market, collect and document opinion, and make informed decisions. The process of market research can be done through deploying surveys, interacting with a group or people, also known as sample, conducting interviews, and other similar processes. Primary purpose of conducting market research is to understand or examine the market associated with a particular product or service, to decide how the audience will react to a product or service. The information obtained from conducting market research can be used to tailor marketing, advertising activities, or to determine what are the future priorities or service requirements of consumers. Three key objectives of market research. A market research project may usually have three different types of objectives. The first, administrative. Help a company or business development through proper planning, organization, and both human and material resources control, and thus satisfy all specific needs within the market at the right time. Social. Satisfies customer specific needs through a required product or service. The product or service should comply with the requirements and preferences of a customer when it's consumed. The third, economical. Determine the economical degree of success or failure a company can have while being new to the market or otherwise introducing new product or service, and thus providing certainty to all action to be implemented. Why is market research important? Conducting research is one of the best ways of achieving consumer satisfaction, reducing customer churn, and elevating business. Here are the reasons why market research is important and should be considered in any business. The first, valuable information. It provides information and opportunities about the value of exciting and new products, thus helping businesses plan and strategies accordingly. The second, customer-centric. It helps to determine what the consumers need and want. Market is customer-centric, and understanding the customers and their needs will help businesses design products or services that best suit them. The third, forecast. By understanding the needs of customers, business can also forecast their production and sales. Market research also helps in determining optimum inventory stock. The fourth, competitive advantage. The stay ahead of competitor market research is a vital tool to carry out comparative studies. Businesses can devise business strategies that can help them stay ahead of their competitors. Type of qualitative research method. Qualitative research methods are designed in a manner that help reveal the behavior and perception of target audience with reference to a particular topic. There are different types of qualitative research methods like an in-depth interview, focus group, ethnographic research, content analysis, case study research that are usually needed. The first, conducting in-depth interviews is one of the most common qualitative research methods. One of the advantages of this method provides a great opportunity to gather precise data about what people believe and what their motivations are. The second, focus group. A focus group is also one of the commonly used qualitative research methods used in data collection. A focus group usually includes a limited number of respondents, 6 to 10 from within our target market. The main aim of the focus group is to find answers to the why, what, and how questions. One advantage of focus group is you don't necessarily need to interact with the group in person. The third, ethnographic research. Ethnographic research is the most in-depth observational method that studies people in their naturally occurring environment. This research design aims to understand the cultures, challenges, motivation, and settings that occur. Case study research. It is one of simplest ways of conducting research as it involves a deep dive through understanding of the data collecting method and inferring the data. The fifth, record keeping. This method makes use of already existing reliable documents and similar sources of information as the data source. This data can be used in new research. The third, process of observation. Qualitative observation is a process of research that uses subjective methodologies to gather systematic information or data. Qualitative observation is primarily used to equate quality differences. Qualitative observation deal with 5 major sensory organs and their function: sight, smell, touch, taste, and hearing. This doesn't involve measurement or number, but instead characteristics. Characteristics of qualitative research methods. The first, qualitative research method usually collect data in the site where the participants are experiencing issues or problems. These are real-time data and rarely bring the participants out of the geographic location to collect information. The second, qualitative researchers typically gather multiple forms of data such as interviews, observation, and documents rather than rely on a single data source. The third, this type of research method works toward solving complex issues by breaking down into meaningful inferences that is easy, readable, and understood by all. The last, this is more communicative method. People can build their trust on the researcher and the information thus obtained is raw and unadulterated. When to use qualitative research? Researchers make use of qualitative research techniques when they need to capture accurate, in-depth insight. Qualitative research is very useful to capture factual data. That's all for me. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.